Hello and welcome to the Puzzle Factory. This is a daily series in which your logical reasoning and deductive abilities are tested each day and the answer is revealed on the next. With that said, let's see the puzzle of the day. The Thursday puzzle. It's a word hunt and you're going to want to find the missing word. Make sure to pause this so you can look at the words and like and subscribe for more puzzles and the answer to this puzzle tomorrow. With that said, here is the answer to the Wednesday puzzle. You are in a perfectly square room and there is a door on each wall. Each door faces south. A bear walks into the room. What color is the bear? So our first thing to recognize is that unless there's a crazy color, we're either going to have brown, white, or black as the color of the bear, because those are the three bears that are in nature. And so our next clue comes with the fact that each door faces south. Now, there's only one place on the world where each door would face south, and that's the North Pole. But let's say you don't know that. Let's say you don't know that it's the North Pole and that it would be white, because when I first encountered that, I didn't know that. Well, there is a clue that you can also find here. So, the thing I saw was that south is a cardinal direction, and both sides of the globe on top and bottom are what are called polar points. So, that means that it is going to be a polar bear, and a polar bear is white. So thank you guys so much for watching. There's going to be another video for the answer to the Thursday puzzle, as well as the Friday puzzle tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then.